George had locks in red and blue. I'll build a big bridge. Yes, I will do. Stack, stack, up so tall, but uh-oh, crash! It starts to fall. George looked down and scratched his head. Why won't my bridge stay up instead? Enacted question, put which block should go at the bottom. Big blocks low, small blocks high. That's how bridges reach the sky. Think and try, don't give in. That's how engineers begin. George put big blocks on the ground, strong and wide all around. Then the smaller ones on top. This time the bridge did not drop. George cheered, I figured it out. Strong at the bottom, that's what it's about. Let's test who out. Sink or float test, let's test my bridge, said George with a grin. He placed toy animals walking in, but one fell down into the blue. Splash! What will the animal do? In a day question, had will it sink or float song line. If it's light, it floats up high. If it's heavy, down it goes. Oh my! Test and learn, watch and see. Science is discovery. Try again, change your plan. That's how learning helps you stand. George found magnets in a box. Let's move the train across the blocks. Click, click, it's stuck so tight. The train moved forward, what a sight! Answer question, what do magnets do? They pull and stick. Success! Bridge stood tall, strong and wide. Trains and toys could safely ride. George smiled big and raised his hand. I built the best bridge in the land. Build it strong, test and see. Think like an engineer like me. Big blocks first, try again. That's how smart builders win. George says, when things fall down, don't feel sad. Try again. That's how great ideas are had.